How to print like print in Python 3. In Python 2 I've tried.
In Python 2, print was a keyword which introduced a statement. In Python 3, print is a function which may be invoked. In both versions, % is an operator which requires a string on the left-hand side and the value or a tuple of values or a mapping object, like dict, on the right-hand side. So, your line ought to look like this. Also, the recommendation for Python 3 and newer is to use style formatting instead of % style formatting. Python 3.6 introduces yet another string formatting paradigm, f-strings.
The most recommended way to do is to use format method. Read more about it here.
Simple print function from O'Reilly's Python cookbook. Example output.
Python 3.6 introduced f-strings for inline interpolation. What's even nicer is it extended the syntax to also allow format specifiers with interpolation. Something I've been working on while I googled this, and came across this old question. Pet 498 has the details. And it sorted my pet peeve with format specifiers in other langs, allows for specifiers that themselves can be expressions. Yay! See, format specifiers.
If you want to se aimerait, la 1 seconde si subscribing.